Okay, we're gonna make udon soup today with some stuff on the side. So we got this frozen beef with onions, shrimp tempura. It's pretty simple. First thing I wanna do is just cut up some scallions. Slice them thin. Now we'll start our udon soup broth. All right, the water's almost boiling. I'm deciding what I wanna do with these. I think I might just air fry them. Let's get some dashi in. So a little dark soy sauce, a little light soy sauce, a little bit of mirin, a little bit of sake. This is just leftover Desai 45. And a bit of sugar. Mix it up. Let's taste this a little bit. Not bad. We'll let this simmer for a little bit. Let's see if these fit in this air fryer. Oh, perfect. Air fryer on. Some udon noodles going. Put this in here. Got this beef with onions packet. 2 minutes. These look ready. Cool them down with some cold water. Second udon in. So this tempura is looking good. Gonna flip them. Put them in for like a minute and a half. Okay, beef with onions out. Second batch of noodles done. Broth on. Get these little tempura flake crisps. This one I'm gonna put some onions and beef on the top right now. Tempura crisps. Some green onion on top of both. Shrimp tempura on this one. I'll put one on this one. Oh, hot balls, hot balls, hot balls. Let's try this. A little beef, a little udon. A little tempura. Oh yeah, super easy, super good. Go make it. Goodbye.